Did you know that there is an animal with a built-in flashlight in its body? If you want to create your own video, here's how. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to name 10 interesting animals. Choose any animal you like and ask GPT to provide 30 to 50 words with interesting facts about your chosen animal. You can make the script longer if you prefer. Copy the generated text to your clipboard. Next, head to Play.ht. If you already have an account, click Log In. If this is your first time, click Create Free AI Voiceover and enter your details. You can also sign up with Google. Once signed in, click Create Audio and choose Ultra Realistic Voice. Paste your script into the text box. By default, Larry is their AI voice, but you can choose another voice by clicking on it. They have various voices with different genders, accents, ages, styles, tempos, and more. Find a voice sample you prefer and click Apply to all paragraphs. You can also adjust the speed, but I'll use the default normal speed. Once you're done customizing the voice, click Confirm. On the side, you'll see a green button saying Generate Preview. Click it and wait a few seconds. Once the preview is generated, click the play button and review the voiceover. If you're satisfied, you can download the file. It will be in WAV format, which is supported for the next step. Now, head to Canva. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up. In Canva's search bar, type YouTube Shorts and click it. Then click Create Blank File on the left sidebar. Click Upload and upload the WAV file you just downloaded. Once uploaded, drag the audio file to your work area. If the audio file is compressed, click on the white blank page and drag it, then drag your audio to its full length. Next, find copyright-free visuals. There are free websites that offer copyright-free stock footage. I'll use Pexels for mine. If you can't find your desired visuals there, try other websites. In Pexels, use the search bar to find relevant photos. Here's a tip. You can simply hold on to the photo and drag and drop it to Canva's website. For video clips, you'll need to download and upload them manually. Don't worry, it will only take seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. Click Add Page and adjust your clips. Drag and drop your video clips and rearrange the pages as you like. Now let's add the script to the visuals. Click on an image, right-click or press More, and set the image as the background. Do the same for all other images. Once you're done, it's time to add background music. Let's use YouTube's audio library, which offers a wide range of tracks for free. To make it easier, filter the tracks by clicking the button, choosing General, and checking Ambient. Listen and search for the track you like. Once you've found one, download it and drag and drop it to your project in Canva. Adjust its position to match the rest of the video. Now let's take a look at what we've created so far. If you think it's ready, you can download your file. Great job, but it's still missing something. We need subtitles. To get auto-generated subtitles, head to vid.io. I've included the link in the description along with other mentioned links. If you already have an account, you'll be directed there. Click New Video, create a project and upload your video file. On the left sidebar, click Subtitles and then Auto Subtitle. Choose the language and wait a few seconds for the subtitles to generate. Play the video to review the subtitles. If needed, you can change the style by clicking Styles and modifying the preset or choosing your own font style, size, colors, animation, and more. Once you're satisfied, click Done and export the video. After a few seconds, download the file in MP4 format. Lastly, upload your video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and consider sharing it. I'll be posting more videos to help you make money for free, so hit subscribe and enable all notifications to be the first to know. Remember, it's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen.